guys, Antoinette here from One Sweet Life, and today I wanted to share just a quick tip of something that I just started implementing. Well, not implementing, but started doing to keep track of expiration dates. Now, I just got this when I was at the spa a couple of weeks ago, and normally when you get items like these, you know how they always say, it's right here on the back, like the 12-month, let's see if I can zoom that in, there, yeah, the 12-month, or this one says 12 months, but different products will have like 12 months or 24 months, and that is when you should throw it away after opening. So this one, I just opened it a couple of weeks ago, so that was February 18th. So February 18th next year, I should toss it because like all the active ingredients and stuff won't be as effective then. So but even as of right now and and months down the road, I'm not even gonna remember when it was the date. Like, I won't remember the day that I actually opened it. So I had these that I got from the dollar store, and I got these for a garage sale that we had last year to write prices and stuff on, and I thought it would just be a really cool idea to just take if there's 315 of these like little circle labels in here, if I just wrote the date that I opened it, so it's always, and I'm gonna stick it on the bottom so I will know when to toss it. Like, I always lose track of all these things. And like, here's another example. I got this from Victoria's Secret. I don't even remember now, but it says on the back, this one has 12 months too, and it's probably actually bad by now, but I don't want to toss it because it smells so good. But if I can just stick one of these stickers on here and say, okay, yes, this is when I opened it, then I will know when to throw it out. So I'm gonna do that right now, and to this I'm just gonna put today's date. And let me, hold on, grab a Sharpie. So what did I say this one was? This one was February 18th. So 2, 18, 18. So and just stick it on the bottom there, see? And then come next year, I will know when to toss this. And so this one is, I don't even know. I'll just start with the beginning of the year, 1/1/18. Cut some months off. No, the price tag is still there. Okay, see? And now 1/1/18. And so I will always be able to keep track of expiration dates. And you know what's awesome about these is I was actually going to toss these. I was going to donate them to Goodwill because I didn't think that I would needed them. They were just kind of hanging out in our junk drawer, just being annoying. But oh, look at this. Awesome, awesome way to reuse a product that I already have. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you keep track of your expiration dates, and I will catch you guys next time. Okay? Oh, and if you like this video, then please subscribe, share it with your friends, and click the like button below so I know to make more videos like this one. I'll see you next time.